Okay, so I realized that if I didn't go live and show you guys exactly what it looks like when I take it out of the microwave, you might not believe me. So we're gonna like do this unboxing together. Okay, so I'm gonna actually, as long as it's cooked, I'm gonna taste it as well so you can see my actual reaction. Now my fingers are crossed. I hope it works out. So I haven't actually touched it yet. It just finished about 1.5 minutes ago. So I'm going to take this sucker out. Do you like my oven mitts? They're so good, right? It says, "I'm not bossy," and this one says, "You're beautiful, don't change." These are such great oven mitts. I know they're both the same, but they're both the same side. But these are, I got these from, I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. Made for me. I got these from Wishlist Gifts on White Ave, just so you know. Which I love that store, by the way. If you ever get a chance to go there, I highly recommend it. They have like everything good. All right, so it's actually heavy. It feels like there's like liquid in it. So it's definitely got some juices. All right, are you guys ready? You can kind of see some of the steam coming out of the top. This is very exciting. Here we go, we're gonna look at it together. Holy mackerel. That looks not like microwave chicken. Huh. Okay, it's a little bit hot. I'm gonna be honest. And it's still, ooh, yeah. Baby, look at all those juices. Can you see that? Hold on, you probably can't see it. Wow. It's hot. I'm not gonna lie. The silicone isn't burning hot, like you can touch it, but actually it's not that bad. It cools down really, really quick. Okay, so let's do a taste test. I'm excited. It looks delicious. Okay, it smells really good. It smells kind of like, almost like a cross between Costco and Swiss Chalet chicken. Okay, so let's just do a quick little cut. All right, wow, whoa, you guys. I was totally expecting it to be like pink inside. It's so juicy. And I was expecting the skin to be like rubbery. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is gonna change everything. I don't know if you can see that. Like it's dripping juice. For real. I could not. Look at all that juice. Can you see this? Are you looking at this? That is juicy. It is dripping juice. Like, I'm blown away right now. Okay, I gotta taste it. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it. Okay. It is so good. The only thing it's missing is salt. Remember I told you I could barely eat the ones from Costco because there's not enough salt? This definitely needs salt. But I am a salt freak. Salt this sucker up. It's not salty. Like at all. It is so juicy. Maybe that's why it's so juicy. Because there's like no salt really. Is there salt? There might be salt in the package, but definitely if you are a salt sensitive person, you will love this. If you don't like, if you're on a sodium diet where you can't have too much sodium, this is for you. You can always add salt, but it's not easy to take it away. Can you just witness this? I mean, can you just look at this juice situation? Chicken juice. Like, all right. Let's do a little other check. Let's check, maybe we'll just turn it over and look at the bottom. Also, not rubbery. This is really happening here. Okay, I'm gonna move this guy over and I'm gonna let it, I'm gonna let it rest here. If I could just, hold on. I'm gonna move this guy over. I'm gonna put it on the cutting board so that, uh-oh, I'm gonna lose it. So you can kind of see the full deal here. I'm just afraid it's gonna dump juices everywhere. Okay. Let's do a little check. This, you guys, the skin is not, it's cooked. It's like crispy skin. It's not as crispy as like probably if it was done in the oven, but it is not rubbery at all. Like, it's done. Okay, so are you looking? This is also super duper juicy. I'm gonna eat this piece of skin. I need to, like I said, I really like salt. I'm gonna need to salt this guy because that's how I eat. But, okay, this is a win, like a huge win. I'm glad I bought so many of these because I took a chance because I do really love rotisserie chicken. Look, it's cooked right through. That was 20 minutes, you guys. Look, look. This is like right next to the bone. Also, it's so juicy. Look at all of the juice is amazing. I don't understand. All this, you can make a killer gravy. Can't stop eating. Okay. And it's still, if you look, there's still juice. I don't know. I don't even know how this happened. I don't even know how you can cook a whole rotisserie chicken in the microwave and it's not rubbery. It's okay. It's leaking juice everywhere. I gotta get it back into the thing so that I don't lose all those juices. So because I am gonna try and make a gravy. I don't even know what to say. I just didn't think it could ever be this good. Like in the microwave in 20 minutes. I don't understand. I'm just like, I'm speechless. So anyway, wow, that's amazing. I'm really happy because I don't usually waste time cooking so much. I'm a real fast cooking kind of person. And if I can do this in 20 minutes and it's so good and so healthy and there was no extra fat or anything in this, like this is, I'm really happy right now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to try this. That's it. Bye.